It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and Catherine, and today we are doing a Las Vegas fish and chips challenge.
That's right, we're going to two places for fish and chips. Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips at the Linq Promenade and Lobster ME at the Venetian.
Let's go eat some fish and chips. Our first stop, it's Lobster ME. Now Lobster ME is famous for lobster rolls, but they do have fish and chips. All right, so that's $17 for fish and chips. All right, we put in our order for our fish and chips. It's fish, the fried fish comes with chips, which is what we call French fries. And you can also get, at no charge, you can get Cajun fries or a side salad. But there's also, for extra, you can upgrade those fries.
Right, you can upgrade them to a clam chowder, a lobster bisque, lobster mac and cheese, or chowder fries.
Yep, we're just going with the fries.
Waffle fries.
Oh yeah, waffle fries.
Fish and chips, we got a nice side of it.
Thank you.
I got you guys some tartar sauce and ketchup, utensils. Let me know if you need anything else, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. These are the fish and chips at Lobster ME. These are huge.
These smell amazing, but the first thing I have to do is add a bit of lemon to our fish.
It also comes in coleslaw,
Right.
in addition to the fish, and there are the chips. All right, let's see how it tastes.
Okay, all right. Cut off this piece here. I don't know what type of fish it is, right? I don't think it says on the menu.
In Vegas fish.
Vegas fish. Oh, it's very crispy, just right, you can tell. There's some tartar sauce. Hot. Hot. Very good though, it's hot.
Ooh, it's like so flaky.
It's very flaky.
All right. That's really good.
Right.
The crispy batter, it's so light but still crispy. Try this coleslaw.
Okay.
It's good too.
I'm gonna try these waffle fries. They look like they have a cornmeal dusting on them. That's different.
I didn't notice that. That is
See,
different.
looks like a cornmeal, right?
Yeah.
That's
I
pretty
thought it was
good.
just salt. Big salt.
Very crunchy.
Yeah, all right. It's like something gritty in there.
Yeah,
I like it.
but I think it's cornmeal.
Adds more crunch.
Yeah.
All right, now I want to try this with the tartar sauce. I haven't tried any with the tartar
Right.
sauce. Got a nice piece there. Look at that flakiness.
Very flaky.
That's tangy and creamy. Perfect to go with the fried fish. Well, so far this is really good. Gordon Ramsay's going to have some pretty stiff competition. What do you think?
I think it's really good. It's a lot of food for $17. We have two big fillets and a lot of fries. I like the little side of coleslaw too. Why didn't I try the coleslaw?
I'll try it.
Yeah, let me try that for sure. Let's see. See, it's like nice and peppery. That's good too.
Yeah.
Dressing's not too sweet. It's like a buttermilk dressing.
Yeah. And they give you the ketchup to go with your chips. Oh, this is so much fish.
I just asked about what type of fish is in the fish and chips, and it's haddock.
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 All right. Well, I think my favorite fish now might be haddock. right, we're here at Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips. They've got fish, they got chips, they got lobster, shrimp, even chicken. We're here for the fish and chips.
Welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, we just want to get the fish and chips.
Fish and chips. How would you like the fries?
So
You
what?
want a regular fries? You want the flavor French fries?
I think just regular French fries.
Let's select 2 dipping sauces here. What kind of sauce?
Let's try the one Gordon's tartar sauce
Second sauce. One more.
and the curry mango.
All right. Very good.
All right, so we got our fish and chips. $18.99 for the fish combo with the regular French fries, some tartar sauce, and the curry mango sauce.
89.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. There you are, sir.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. All right. Made fresh right here. Gordon Ramsay fish and chips. We can see there are 3 fillets here, 3 fish fillets. They're a little smaller than the ones over at Lobster ME. And this is $2 more.
It's pretty thick.
Yeah.
I'll try with a little bit of tartar sauce. These are much thicker fish fillets than a lobster meat. These are really tasty. Ooh, I like that.
See, look at this guy here. It's all flaking apart. And it's super hot. Yeah. All right. Lightly crunchy
Yeah,
and oily. They're pretty tasty.
yeah,
The fish are good.
yeah. Gotta try one of the fries here, the chips. They come, they're called natural sea salt chips. I'm gonna try it just like this. Those are really good. They're thick and they're really just tasty. Chewy, they're not. There's a one right there.
Yeah.
Well done.
It's
But they
okay.
taste really good. And they give you ketchup
Oh,
in
can I dip
dispensers,
it in there?
of course.
Good fries. What I want to try is this curry sauce.
Right.
This is very unique. They don't have this at Lobster ME.
No, it's a curry mango sauce.
Let's try that. That's like Indian curry. Wow. Well, that's different. That is not like what they have at Lobster ME.
No.
It feels almost, more British because it's the Indian flavor. I like that.
They're smaller fillets, but they're thick, really thick. And I'm gonna try this with the curry mango sauce. That curry mango sauce is so good.
Yeah.
It's very Indian curry based.
Yes.
It has a bit of like a little kick.
Oh yeah.
I like that more than the tartar sauce. Honestly, that's good.
We're gonna try some malt vinegar on the fish. Oh. That's good.
Yeah?
It's like so vinegary. Just put it on some fries. Even better. Yeah, you get different seasonings available on these fries, and I think you must be able to get them as truffle because I can smell truffle in the air outside here at right here at the Linq Promenade. It literally smells like truffles out here.
I can smell it too. It smells great.
All right, so what's the verdict on Gordon Ramsay fish and chips?
I like these a lot. And if my opinion, I like these more than the Lobster ME fish and chips.
As for me, I'd have to say I like the fish and chips at Lobster ME better. To me, they're more like the traditional fish and chips that I'm familiar with. They're thinner. These are thick and puffier. And I just feel like the other batter was a little bit more crispy and adhered to the whole thing. This stuff is kind of falling off willy-nilly.
Yes, the fillets at Lobster Me were larger, but these were thicker, and I felt like I got more fish out of them. The batter was a little bit thick on this one, yes, I agree. But I just like getting more fish, more bang for my buck, more fish for my buck that way. A big thing for me were the sides. The chips, I really like these natural chips much more than the waffle fries there. I think the cornmeal that they add for texture, it's too large of a grain. Probably like a medium grain, should be a fine grain, it's fine. It feels like having the cornmeal that's like on the bottom of the pizza crust all over your fries.
Yeah, that's true.
A little too hard. And honestly, another big selling point is this curry and mango sauce. This sauce is so good. I want it on everything.
So I guess it's a tie. So just go whichever place you want to try. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think about fish and chips in Las Vegas. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can vegan.